If you're looking for a delightful way to use up some excess zucchini or just want to enjoy a moist and flavorful loaf of bread, look no further than this homemade zucchini bread recipe. Zucchini bread is a classic favorite that combines the goodness of vegetables with the sweet and spicy flavors of traditional bread. This recipe is easy to follow and yields a mouthwatering loaf that's perfect for breakfast, snacking, or dessert. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get baking. Ingredients. For the zucchini bread. 1. 2 cups grated zucchini, about 2 medium-sized zucchinis. 2. 2½ cups all-purpose flour. 3. 1½ teaspoons baking powder. 4. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 5. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 6. 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. 7. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 8. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, optional. 9. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 10. 1 cup granulated sugar. 11. 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed. 12. 3 large eggs. 13. 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. For optional add-ins. 1. 1 cup chopped nuts, such as walnuts or pecans. 2. 1 cup chocolate chips or raisins. Instructions. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9 by 5 inch, 23 by 13 centimeters loaf pans or line them with parchment paper for easy removal. Prepare the zucchini. 1. Wash and dry the zucchinis. 1. Leave the skin on and grate them using a box grater. 1. You can use the large holes for a coarser texture or the small holes for a finer texture. 1. Once grated, place the zucchini in a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out excess moisture. 1. Set aside. Mix dry ingredients. 1. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ground cloves if using. 1. Set this dry mixture aside. Cream the butter and sugars. 1. In a separate large mixing bowl, using an electric mixer or by hand, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add eggs and vanilla. 1. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. 1. Stir in the vanilla extract. Combine wet and dry ingredients. 1. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. 1. Do not overmix. It's okay if there are a few streaks of flour remaining. Fold in zucchini and optional add-ins. 1. Gently fold in the grated zucchini until it's evenly distributed throughout the batter. 1. If you're adding nuts, chocolate chips, or raisins, fold them in at this stage. Fill the loaf pans. 1. Divide the batter equally between the prepared loaf pans, spreading it out evenly. Bake. 1. Place the loaf pans in the preheated oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean. 1. The baking time may vary slightly, so keep an eye on it after 50 minutes. Cool. 1. Remove the pans from the oven and let the zucchini bread cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. 1. Then, transfer the loaves to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve. 1. Once the zucchini bread has cooled, slice it into thick, delicious pieces. 1. Enjoy it as is or spread a bit of butter or cream cheese on top for an extra treat. Storage. 1. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days or in the refrigerator for longer freshness. 1. You can also freeze zucchini bread for several months. 1. Just wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and aluminum foil before freezing. This homemade zucchini bread is a fantastic way to sneak some veggies into your diet while indulging in a delightful treat. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a satisfying snack any time of day. Give it a try, and you'll find yourself making it again and again, especially during zucchini season.